All right, so now let's talk about XRP. I mean, the way I'm seeing XRP price action behaving is that I believe that is forming a symmetrical triangle. The $1 support level pays. I mean, it has a lot of significance to XRP's strength. So even if this symmetrical triangle were to break to the downside, I will wait for a daily candlestick close below 1.06 before I enter any trade. Right on the upside, I will be looking at a daily candlestick close above 1.19, which could potentially lead to a 30% upswings towards 1.58. $1.58. But yeah, I mean, any close below 1.06 could potentially throw XRP down towards 75 cents, basically. So as XRP moves edges closer to basically the apex of this symmetrical triangle, it is telling you that volatility is about to strike back. So now it's just a matter of just once again, just being patient, right? Waiting for a potential close above 1.19, which could lead to a 30% breakout, or daily candlestick close below 110, 106, which could lead to a steep correction towards 75 cents. The other thing that I was looking at when I was analyzing XRP is that the number of addresses holding more than 10 million XRP have been decreasing their positions. Basically, over the past 3 days, roughly 5 whales have left the network, right? When you consider that these whales hold more than $11 million in XRP, then that, the fact that they have left, that 5 of them have left the network can potentially translate into a lot of selling pressure, right? But once again, even though the on-chain metrics are telling me that basically XRP is facing significant selling pressure by these whales who have been leaving the network or maybe redistributing their tokens. I need to wait, right? If I'm a cautious trader, right, I will have to wait for a daily candlestick close below 106 before I can enter a short trade, right? Once again, as we approach the end of the month, we're about to see a spike in volatility, right? As we have been seeing over the past 2 days. And now it's just a matter of waiting and seeing whether resistance, right, could break for a potential 30% upswing, or whether support will finally, if XRP finally loses support, right, for a potential downswing towards 75 cents. I don't know if you, Akash, are looking at something different than this.
Yeah, let me just right. So on a 12-hour time frame, right, XRP seems to be forming a descending triangle, right? And it's not quite sure if XRP is up for a break above this declining trend line. But if you look at it from a higher time frame, right, I think it makes a lot more sense here. XRP has been hugging closely to the second hurdle, which comes around the 1.09 level here. And the reason for this persistence above this level is how it acted as a resistance back in May over here, right? For me, as long as this second hurdle holds above 1.09, I think it's safe to say that XRP is still bullish. And this is just a phase of consolidation, and it's eventually resolved. And XRP price is going to close this fair value gap here, which ranges from 1.3 to 1.6, right? And even if we do lose the 1.09 support level, which is the second hurdle, right, I don't think it's going to go any lower than 1.09, which is like a down candle here, or a demand zone that that is present here. So you could expect, probably, if this fails, right, you could expect a dip down to this and a bounce, and then close with this fair value gap at 1.60 level. This is what I'm looking at for XRP from a short to mid-term time frame perspective. Nothing interesting is happening with XRP, but by saying that, I also want to clarify that nothing bearish is also happening, which is a really good sign. I think XRP price action kind of relates a lot closer to Ethereum than BTC. So yeah, I'm bullish on Ethereum. I'm also leaning bullish on XRP, which is 1.6 seems inevitable for XRP right now.
Okay, that's good. So basically, I mean, you could see the potential for a downswing towards that support level, basically the $1 support level, before XRP basically breaks out towards 1.60. Is that right?
Yep, it could
Okay,
happen. I'm not
okay,
saying it will happen,
mhm.
but as
Yeah,
long as we hold above the 1.09 level or 1.1 level, there's nothing to worry about. We probably not even get a retest of 1.01.
yeah. I mean, it's kind of like similar to the idea that I was presenting, right? Where I'm looking at the 1.10 to 1.06 level, support level to hold. And if that manages to hold, then XRP can actually print a daily candlestick close about 1.19. Then I'm looking at a potential upswing towards 1.58. But if the 1.10 to 1.06 support level doesn't hold, then I do believe that XRP will be bound for a steep correction towards 75 cents. But as of right now, once again, it's just a matter of playing the waiting game, and
Yeah.
those who are patient will basically be rewarded. And once again, right? I mean, if you like these technical analysis that we have provided for you, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, make sure to basically follow us on Twitter, and you can find me at Ali_charts. I'm Ali Martinez, and you can also find Akash
At
Mangingo. How do you pronounce
Mangieko.
me?
You can find
Mangingo.
me
Uh,
on Twitter at Mangieko with the zero in the end.
That's right. That's right. So yeah, I mean, Akash is more of a technical analyst, right? Well, I'm a little bit more of a on-chain analyst, and sometimes throw into the mix a little bit of technical analysis as well. But yeah, I mean, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and you also subscribe to, I mean, you basically follow us on Twitter, you will potentially be updated about absolutely everything that is going on in the cryptocurrency space.